Today, myself and Cloud5 are here to bless someone and make their Christmas much better. He's been going through a hard time with bills and he had to sell his custom computer, which was built by Cloud5. And it's so unfortunate because Cloud5 put a lot of time into that build, but sometimes to keep up with the bills of this world, you just have to do whatever you can do. So we're gonna bless him today. And guys, this is gonna be a bit of a panda build. We just grabbed what we had to spare. So there will be some black, there will be some white, but the main point is, we just wanna make his Christmas better. Hope you enjoy. If you are sick of this watermark and not being able to utilize all of Windows features, then head on over to whokeys.com. Purchase a Windows 10 Pro key for $16 or a Windows 11 Pro key for $22. Use my code IFR25 for 25% off with loads of payment methods. Copy your code from the user center and paste it here to activate. They also provide you with a step-by-step guide and 24-hour support. Today's case that we're building in is the Corsair 6500X. This case can fit a load of water cooling, however, we are only going to be water cooling the CPU today. Up the top, we can fit a 360 radiator. Down the bottom, we could also fit a 360, and also at the side of the motherboard tray there. If we really wanted to, we could put a 120 or a 140 at the rear here. However, we are only water cooling the CPU today, so there is no need for that. Now, this case does have compatibility with the backwards connect motherboards as well. However, today we are just using our ATX size motherboard. You can fit an eATX size as well. The whole case has loads of cutouts, so there's plenty of venting throughout the case, which is excellent because it means that we can still keep that front glass panel and the front side panel so that we can view our components inside from either angle. The rear of the case also has loads of room for cables, so there's going to be absolutely no issues there, and we have plenty of cable tie down points as well to keep this build nice and neat. Well, it just so happens that we have a 9800X 3D on hand that we can use in this build. The 9800X 3D is capable of 4K gaming. It is the best gaming CPU in the world, and I think there is no other build that I'd rather put it in. It is an 8-core and 16-thread processor, so it still has enough cores if you want to do a little bit of video editing or rendering here and there. Definitely not the best rendering CPU on the market, however, gaming is his priority, so this is going to be a beast of a CPU for this system. Now for his graphics card, we just happen to have an RTX 4070 Super from Asus. Now the 4070 Super is going to be fantastic even for 4K gaming. It'll absolutely smash through 1440p and we'll be able to target some of those games in 4K, especially paired with that CPU. He's certainly going to be having fun on this PC.